Welcome back. Let's jump right into today's explainer, where we're going to transform your daily writing into a powerful checklist for driving real, measurable business results. Look, every single day, you're writing emails, you're posting on social media, you're pitching project proposals, but are those words actually getting people to do what you want? Well, today, we're pulling insights directly from the architect of persuasion to give you a definitive, structured system to truly master copywriting fundamentals. Let's establish exactly why learning true persuasion matters with this somewhat harsh reality. Beautiful prose, clever vocabulary, perfect grammar, they're all nice. But if you don't understand the underlying mechanics of why people actually say yes, you're just making noise. You'll write words that look fantastic, but they simply aren't going to generate revenue, clicks, or signups. So here's our step-by-step checklist for today. 1. What is copywriting? 2. The golden rule. 3. The AIDA formula. 4. Fixing beginner mistakes. And 5. Your mini practice challenge.
All right, starting with number 1. What is copywriting? The foundation of persuasion.
Unlike standard writing, copywriting is exclusively about moving your reader to take a specific action. Think about it like this. Everyday writing is kind of like a Wikipedia article explaining the history of an umbrella. It's informative, sure, but it's entirely passive. Copywriting? That's someone handing you that umbrella during a torrential downpour and showing you exactly how it's going to save your favorite suit. The entire goal is to trigger a real-world action. It is absolutely fascinating how successful copy perfectly balances these 4 elements to guide someone's behavior. You need psychology to understand the reader's underlying problem. You need emotion to make them actually care. You need clarity, because a confused mind always says no. And of course, you need a clear action. If you miss even one of these components, the whole checklist fails and your reader just keeps right on scrolling. For our first clear example, let's look at how focusing on the actual benefit changes absolutely everything. Comfortable and durable is a feature. It's dry. But walk all day without pain? Now that is a tangible, emotional transformation. It's the difference between telling someone a mattress has 1,000 springs versus telling them they're finally going to sleep through the night and wake up energized. Moving to step 2 of our checklist, the golden rule, which is all about selling transformation. The absolute crucial takeaway here is that your job is never just to list features. Your job is to vividly show a customer transformation. When someone buys a gym membership, they aren't buying access to heavy pieces of metal, right? They're buying the confident, healthy version of themselves they see in the mirror 6 months from now. You have to sell that upgraded version of the customer. So before you write a single word, I want you to run through this mandatory pre-flight checklist. Ask yourself, what does the customer become? What problem disappears? What desire is fulfilled? If your text doesn't explicitly answer these 3 questions, scrap it and start over. Okay, section 3, the AIDA formula. These are the 4 core elements of every good piece of copy. This is the famous AIDA formula: attention, interest, desire, and action. This is a highly effective 4-step checklist that ensures your writing captures and converts your audience. And look, this isn't just marketing theory. It's the literal chronological order of how human persuasion works. You can't create desire if you haven't first grabbed their attention. Let's break down exactly how to execute each step. For our second clear example, check out how persuasive copy physically stops a scrolling mind. Think about walking down a noisy, crowded street. If someone yells, "Hey, I have software," you ignore them. But if someone yells, "You just dropped your wallet," you freeze. Writing, "You are losing customers every day without knowing it," is the digital equivalent of "you dropped your wallet." It triggers immediate, urgent attention. Once you've got their attention, you have to trigger specific emotional desires so they genuinely want what you're offering. Interest is the bridge. It's stating a curious fact or a relatable pain point. But desire, that's where the magic happens. That's where you inject those specific emotional triggers. You're moving them from thinking, "Oh, that's neat," to feeling, "I literally need this relief right now." And finally, action. Never assume the reader knows the next step. You must clearly command the action you want them to take. It's like successfully flirting with someone all night, generating all this interest and desire, and then just walking away without asking for their phone number. Don't leave them hanging. Tell them, "Click here, subscribe now, buy today." Be crystal clear.
Section 4, fixing beginner mistakes. Here is what you absolutely need to avoid.
For our third example, let's contrast the amateur mistake of sounding like a textbook with the highly effective technique of just speaking conversationally. For some reason, when people sit down to type to sell something, they suddenly start using words like utilize and synergy. Just stop it. Persuasive copy sounds like two friends talking over a cup of coffee. Keep it human, keep it simple.
You can use this as a quick diagnostic check to see if your copy is missing the mark. If you read your draft and see the words we, our, and I over and over again, you are talking about yourself way too much. Flip the script. Use the word you. Instead of saying we offer 24/7 support, right, you will never have to wait for help. Make it about their transformation.
And finally, Section 5, your mini practice challenge. Let's actually do this right now. Okay, we're going to use the AIDA formula to rewrite a basic product description. Instead of saying contains a 5,000 milliamp battery, which is a completely boring spec, let's trigger an emotional desire. For attention, tired of your phone dying right when you need it most? For interest and desire, we hit that emotional trigger. Imagine never having to beg a bartender to charge your phone again, capturing every late-night memory without a drop of anxiety. And for action, upgrade to the all-night lifestyle today. Do you see the difference there? You are selling a transformation, not a battery. Now, I want you to practice this transformation carefully, because next time we are tackling the single most important skill in copywriting, the headline. How on earth do you compress that entire AIDA formula into just 5 or 6 magnetic words at the very top of a page? Until then, apply today's checklist to your next email and ask yourself, are you selling a product or are you selling a better version of your reader? Keep practicing, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.